Unlocking the phrase, as well. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into the commonly used phrase, as well. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and the different contexts it fits into. As well is an adverbial phrase that means in addition or also. When you want to say that something is true in the same way that something else is true, or when you mention an additional person or thing, you use as well. Example, I love chocolate. She loves it as well. Here, as well, tells us that she, in addition to me, loves chocolate. Let's see, as well, in action with a few examples. 1. I'm going to the movies tonight. Would you like to come as well? 2. Not only does he play the piano, but he sings as well. 3. My sister is studying to be a doctor, and my brother wants to be one as well. From these examples, you can see that, as well, can be used in various contexts, whether it's an activity, a skill, or a desire. Placement matters. Typically, as well is placed at the end of the clause or sentence. However, in some cases, for emphasis or stylistic reasons, it might be placed in the middle. Correct placement: she's going to the concert, and I want to go as well. Less common, but still acceptable: she's going, as well, to the concert. You might be wondering, what's the difference between as well, to, and also? All these words have similar meanings, but their placement in sentences can vary. To usually goes at the end of a sentence, e.g., she's coming to. Also can be more flexible and often finds its place in the middle or at the beginning of a sentence, e.g., she also wants to come, or also, she wants to come. However, the nuances between them are subtle, and in many cases, they can be used interchangeably. And there we have it. The phrase, as well, is a versatile tool to add to your English language toolkit. It's all about adding information and linking ideas. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll confidently use, as well, in your conversations. Happy learning!